First of all, install the desktop racks on both sides. The track is on the front and the long arms are behind. Install the motor on the front right side. Tighten the screws. Install the racks left. Install bottom rail. Measure the height. Install the horizontal rack. Tighten it. Install the second rack. Adjust the distance between two racks. Now, turn to install the light holder. There's hole on the holder, leave it on the right side. Tighten the screws. Start wiring. Get wire go through the hole of the right holder. Then install the light shade. Fix it with 2 white claps. Install the light tube. Stuck in and turn 90 degrees. Install the crank. Finish installing, now turn on. Turn the knob to adjust the track speed. Turn the crank to adjust the track width.